Inkfingers, and welcome to another episode of Make It Monday with me, your host, Laura Buechler from Inkyfingers Papercrafting. Now, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video where we are going to give away this fabulous card that we made together last week using the Round We Go bundle. This was a lengthy video, and I promise you today's video is going to be much shorter, much quicker, much simpler, and I even forgot to say my motto, y'all. I'm so excited to be here with you today, as I always am, because creativity is good for us, creativity is fun, and creativity is for everyone. All right, let's get our fabulous assistant Stevie over here. Stevie is going to come and take away last week's card. Thank you, Stevie. And Stevie will be back at the end of the show, as I mentioned. Look at that. So this is the card we're making today. My color's a little off today. I think it's my light. That is better. Okay, so we are using the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper to make this card, and that is one of the 14 papers that is on sale this month for 15% off. But before we jump in, I wanted to show you this same card made with a couple different papers, okay? So here it is, made with the Country Lace Designer Series paper, same layout, different colors, different paper. And then here it is with the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper. And you can see on this one, I made this sentiment piece a little bit smaller because I didn't want to cover up this beautiful piece of paper here. Isn't it gorgeous? So as I said, all three of these papers and several more are on sale this month, just until August 31st for $14.45 instead of $17. I have just realized why my camera looks so weird today. Okay, I'm going to have to fix this on my phone. And while I do that, I'm going to take it off screen and try to tell you a joke while I'm fixing my camera. That's a fun one, right? This is my all-time favorite joke. And one of the reasons it's my favorite is because it's short. And that means I can remember it very well. So my favorite joke that I'm going to tell with you today is, what's brown and sticky? Anyone got an answer? Go ahead and type it in the comments if you have an answer. What is brown and sticky? Look at that. My camera looks better now. Give up? The answer is a stick. Okay, without further ado, let's move away from stand-up comedy and into crafting, a much better skill for me, I feel. And we are going to make this beautiful card, or, you know, very close to it. All right, so I have got all my pieces cut and ready to go. I've got my Shy Shamrock cardstock. I've got a piece of white to go on top. I've got another piece. You know what? Actually, now that I'm looking closer at this is not Shy Shamrock. This is Summer Splash. They're very close, but the Summer Splash is a little bit more blue, and the Shy Shamrock is a little bit more green, as you might expect. I've got another piece of the Unbounded Beauty DSP that is peach pie color, and then this is the piece that I'm going to stamp on. All right, simple, simple. Let's get going with the stamping. So I am using some stamps from the Thoughtful Wishes stamp set. I've used this stamp set several times. I haven't even gotten into using these dies yet, but they are gorgeous, and we're definitely going to be using them come fall when my classes start up again and so on. So I'm going to use Petunia Pop and Peach Pie ink, and I'm going to use Peach Pie for the flower because I want the flower to be less standout-ish than the sentiment. I want the sentiment to really pop, and I want the flower not to be background, but to be less important than the sentiment. So I've got my flower done. Oh, hey. Someone's given me a heart already. Thank you so much. Is it because you liked my joke? Thank you for tuning in, whoever you are. Whether you're watching live or on the replay, shout out to all my replay warriors. I appreciate when you leave a comment or a heart or a thumbs up or anything like that, because it helps the Facebook algorithm. It encourages that algorithm to show the Make It Monday videos to more people and encourage them with all the fun that we have over here. Oh, it's Maury. Maury liked my joke. Yay. It's nice and short and easy to remember. There we go. My adhesive's giving me a little bit of grief today. All right. So in addition to telling you about the Designer Series paper sale, I want to remind you that if you have any bonus days coupons to use up, you need to use those on your order, any type of order, before August 31st, which is coming up. Oh my gosh. Not this weekend, but next weekend. Next Saturday is August 31st, and then we're into September. Holy moly. Summer just flew by, didn't it? Yeah, so make sure you use up your bonus day coupon codes. They will not be any good to you after September 1st. What else do I need to tell you? If you are subscribed to my newsletter, which I dearly hope that you are, you will be getting that newsletter in your inbox tomorrow morning as usual, and it's going to have the link to sign up for my fall classes, including the Christmas card making mega class, which is always a huge hit. And this year, with signing up for my classes, I've got a new site where you can sign up for the classes right on the site, and you will also be able to pay in advance. You'll be able to pay right on the site, reserve your spot. You'll get an email confirmation, and everything should be a lot easier than it has been in past years. Hopefully. Hopefully. Okay, so I'm just layering this up. When I first saw this card online, it was made with some very elegant looking paper. It was like deep blues, deep purples. I'm not struggling to remember the name of the paper because it's not current anyway. But yeah, it was like purple and gold, and like I said, very, very elegant. And I loved the elegant layered look. And then I thought, okay, I'm going to try that out with Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper, which I did. And elegant is certainly not the first word that comes to mind. I would call it more riotous, colorful, exciting, bold. There's lots going on. So that's part of the reason why when I came on here today, I wanted to show you the same card with a couple different papers, because as we all know, different papers are going to have different colors, different moods, different styles. And when you see that card with different, that same layout with different papers, then you get more ideas about the papers that you might have and what a card might look like when you use your papers, right? So there they are again. I'm going to add some embellishments to this beautiful one. Because the Unbounded Beauty DSP uses the in colors, the new in colors, I'm going to add some in color shimmer gems. And I kind of like doing them in a little triangle here right up at the corner. Ooh, I want a peach one. There we go. There we go. How lovely is that? Right? So if you'd like a chance to win this card, you can share the video, and I'll be pulling a name next week to see who wins. All right? Now be sure to leave me a comment and tell me which of these three papers you like best. Oh, Maury, thank you. I'm glad that helps. Tell me which one you like best, because maybe I'll use that same paper for a different card next week. Okay, have I given you all the reminders? Make sure you're signed up for my newsletter. Make sure you use the bonus days codes. Make sure you stock up on your paper before the end of the month because, like I said, it's on sale, 15% off. That's not nothing. And if you'd be so kind as to share the video, you'll get a chance to win one of these beautiful cards next week. I'll even let you choose which one. How about that? Okay, so I think it's time for Stevie to come back in and give away a card for us. Stevie, there we are. Okay, here comes Stevie. Now, who is our winner this week, Stevie? Stevie? Which one? Who's the winner? Oh, okay. Okay, Stevie, I know what to do. It's okay. Off you go. All right. So Stevie just told me, I can't believe it, but it's true. Stevie just told me that no one shared the video last week, which is a shame, but I get it because everyone's busy. Summer's happening, travel, families, etc. So that's okay. I will give everybody one more week to share last week's video and see who's going to be the winner of this awesome Rosettes card. Okay, now if you did not watch last week's video, this is a good chance for you to go back and do it because you're going to learn how to make this awesome rosette. Okay, all right, so that is the finish of our video for today. Thank you everyone so much for joining. Remember that you can purchase all the supplies you've seen me use today and on all the Make It Monday videos on inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find project tutorials, events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.